too.
Eric finally got here. Let's say what's up and then get this thing in to get busy.
What's up?
Welcome, welcome. How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. How you feeling?
Good, I feel good.
Good.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Yeah, so we ended up pulling a catback for the car as well.
Really?
We pulled one, if you wanted to check out, this is our old muffler deletes. So we have a full catback if you want it.
Is the catback going to be quieter?
So the nice thing is it has mufflers on it. It should be about the same tone, like loudness in terms of volume, but we have the two different tip options as well for the car. Totally up to you. It should sound exactly like that car, like that STI does. So you're gonna go get the keys?
I'm going to get the keys.
Then we'll finally hear how this thing sounds.
Sounds good to me.
What do you think?
That's a lot louder for sure. That sounds good. Oh, okay. This has downside.
This has a downside.
Okay, I was like.
So it'll be a little bit quieter with the stock downside.
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
that took
Peer pressure, right? Nothing like hot swapping a catback, right, Tiny?
Absolutely.
Can't believe he was just
In there.
I was like, wait,
Just with bare hands,
Isn't that
too.
how I just drove here?
So we ended up pulling all the different tip options that we have for the catbacks, just because we weren't sure which ones you were gonna like. He's got them over here in a box.
Ooh, that might have to be it automatically.
So those are like the classic blue burnt tip look. Everybody likes that.
The fingerprints off of it.
Ah, that's all right. We'll clean it up. And then the stainless polished look.
Polished ones always look good too.
Like I said, you're
always
welcome to
just personal
take.
preference.
You're welcome to take them both.
I think we gotta go with these.
All right. What do you think of them installed?
It looks sick. I mean, this right here, the little logo is clean. I want to see how it drives though, how it sounds.
All right, Tiny. First one's down. Catback out of the way. Took only what, like half an hour?
Probably.
Now
We've
all we
just
got
been
left to do is the intake. So we're gonna switch out the intake that's in there currently for an MAPerformance intake. Did we end up getting different color options on the intakes too?
Yeah.
So we have color options on the intake for you also?
Yeah,
Do the honors. Nothing like opening new car parts.
It's like Christmas. It feels like a little bit like Christmas, getting cold out there. You know?
It's getting there. I mean, we did already have some snow, so
Yeah, definitely the red. It's quality, man.
we appreciate that.
Definitely red. Red's the right one.
No brainer. What do you guys think? Should we put a set of these STI Brembos on the BRZ or the new WRX? Or both? I don't know. Let us know down below. Two is better than one.
That's right.
All right.
Ask anybody.
Ask anybody. The intake looks nice though. All right, so we just wrapped up installing all the parts. What do you think so far?
I love it. You know, I feel like the best thing that happened was this connection that we made. You know, so like,
Yeah.
happened organically.
Hopefully this is just the beginning,
Yeah.
right? There will be hopefully more projects down the line. Who knows, maybe this thing will get a little crazy at
There
some
will
point.
be. We'll see. We'll see. You try to convince me of that.
Everyone says no, but eventually,
Well, yeah,
you know,
I mean,
cars
we'll see.
get one more part at a time.
But, you know, I'll be back for sure. I'll be back.
Absolutely. Well, we've been talking a little bit about trying to do possibly some giveaway stuff, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, he's gonna go for a rip in the car with Tyler. I unfortunately have to leave, but on my end, it's been an absolute pleasure, man.
I appreciate you.
Thanks so much for coming by, and if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe, let us know down below, and we're going to leave a link to his new YouTube channel as well, if you guys haven't already.
Little plug.
Yeah, make sure you go and subscribe, because his channel is pretty fire, and you guys will like it. So, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
know, I thought, you know, I think the one I had before didn't have mufflers on it, so I was nervous to put mufflers back on. It sounds really good. It sounds really crisp, but also gives me that Subaru sound that I want, that I didn't want to lose.
The Subi Rumble.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Oh yeah.
Subi Rumble. Woohoo! Yeah, you can hear the turbos way more too. I love that. Legal, you know.
Exactly.
The sound with the exhaust. The sound is exactly what I want it to be. Nothing too crazy, but gives me that Subi rumble. I'm super happy with it. And now I got burnt tips too. Ooh, yeah, that turbo sounds way different.
That sounds good.
It sounds better for sure with this exhaust than it did with the other exhaust. Honestly, I think it's more. This is smoother when you accelerate. Like the acceleration's a lot more. I don't know how to explain it. It's there when you want it, but it's not like it's not jerky or anything like that. It felt really smooth, especially right when I shifted to second. Which was I was like hoping I wasn't gonna lose, you know. I didn't want it to be I don't want it to be crazy, you know. This is gonna be my daily up here, so I want to keep it clean. And that acceleration felt strong as I want to make it though. It didn't feel like I compare everything to my Viper as far as how torquey it is, because if you barely touch the Viper, it wants to go, and it's kind of like you can't daily that, you can't. But this is just like, it's nothing crazy. It's there when you want it. When you press on the gas, you know what you're gonna get, but the power's there when you want it, so it's nice.
Hey man, thanks again. Really appreciate it. The car sounds and feels great. I feel like it really the way it accelerates now is actually smoother than when it was before, so that's a plus. Thanks again. Talk soon. See ya.